Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to be giving you a look at this turbo jet fan. This is a little handheld fan that has some crazy power to it, and I'm going to be showing you how I use it around my home and even outdoors. So this is such a cool item. It does come with two little attachments. So you have this long nozzle, you have this standard or medium sized nozzle, and then it comes with the little nozzle attached. These are really simple to put on. They just line up and twist to lock in place. And then on the back, you have your air intake area. There are little screws here that would allow you to take off this cover so you can get in there and clean if you've got built up dust or even hair, so you can make sure that this is going to work properly. It's really simple to use. There is a simple speed switch over here. If you have it far left, the air pressure is going to be lighter. If you have it far right, the air pressure is going to be stronger. And then there is a simple power switch on the front. To turn this on, you long press for 2 seconds, and again, to turn it off, it'll be a 2-second hold. This does utilize a USB-C to charge, and it takes it about 3 to 8 hours to give a full charge. So it does take a little while, but it also has a long-lasting battery, and there is a little indicator light here. So when the battery is dead or in need of charging or in the process of charging, you'll see a red light. When the battery is done charging, it will turn green, and then when the product is on and in use, you'll see a blue light. I had a wonderful experience with this product, and I know it's something that I am going to enjoy having on hand, whether that is just here at home or if it's to take on the go with me. I think this is a really great tool to have. If you guys were looking for something like this works like a charm. I would definitely give this a try.